Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well and hope you all are doing great. My name is Ezinma and today on What Mommy Loves, I've got another ninja product to unbox and share with you all. If this is your first time of checking out my channel, hello, welcome. I'm a mom of two living in the UK and I share videos centered on motherhood, lifestyle, beauty, fashion, reviews, unboxing videos, cleaning videos and a whole lot more. So if you love those kind of videos, please make sure you like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I post videos weekly and I would love to have you as part of my viewers. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get instant notifications when I share new videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I've got something exciting for you today and let's start unboxing. So you guys know from my past videos, I have this ninja foodie that I use to make all of my meals and I absolutely love that product so much. I think I would link it down below so you can check it out. I've got like the unboxing video of that product and I also made a few meals with it. So yeah, I've been using my ninja foodie and it has been amazing, like a proper lifesaver. So I was inspired. I thought I needed a NutriBullet because I really don't have that much work space on my worktop in my kitchen. But you know what, I tried the NutriBullet and it wasn't just for me, so I had to return the NutriBullet. And then I got the Ninja 3-in-1 food processor. Now why I got this one is because I love when things are smart, like when products are smart, like especially kitchen gadgets. I always like it smart. So yeah, so I got the Ninja 3-in-1 food processor, which is this one right here. I'm just gonna read like the features. So with this Ninja 3-in-1 food processor, it can blend smoothies and milkshakes. It can max blend juices and protein shakes. It can chop salads and burgers. It can puree dips and sauces, and it can mix doughs and cakes. So this is amazing. In this box, we've got the Ninja Foodie processor itself, okay, and then we've got this 700 ml single serve cup. We've got this big jug over here, the motor base, inspiration guide and the blades and all of that. Yeah, so I'm going to unbox this right now and I'm super excited about this product. And the more I use the product, I will try to do more videos showing you how to use the product, okay? But for today's video, I'm just going to unbox this and show you what's in the box. All right, okay, so let's get started. So on here it says thank you for your purchase. It's got some illustrations of how to handle the products. I'm just going to open it up. So first things first is the recipe book. So here I've got like different recipes, like you can make carrot cake with this Ninja Foodie. You can like blend, if you don't have like a cake mixer, you can use your Ninja Foodie processor to process and mix your cakes. So if you want to make cakes, pizza, you can use this product to make it, and that is really amazing. And you guys know that's obviously attracted me to this product. So you can make hummus, you can chop onions, sauces and all of that. So in the recipe book there are like different kinds of things that you can do with your Ninja Foodie. You can make chapatis, you can make vegetable crisps, you can make onion and spinach frittata, honey dressing, so many things, which is really amazing. So here we've got the user guide, like this is like the manual, the user guide, okay. I'm just gonna keep this. So first thing I can see here is this. So this is the disc adapter. Okay, we're going to try to be careful not to hold any sharp things. So this is the dough blade assembly, and this is how it looks. This one is the 2.1 liter crushing jug, and this is the lid for the jug. Oh, fantastic. It's made of plastic, but it's like a very thick plastic, kind of like a rigid plastic. It feels sturdy, and okay, I'll explore this. And this is the lid. This is the crushing jug lid. So I'm going to explore this a bit more. Let's just continue unboxing. These things are sharp, so you have to be careful when you handle them. So this one is for slicing over here, and then this side is for grating. Okay, I'm excited about this product because anything to make my life easier in the kitchen is always a good idea. This is this 700 ml single serve cup, and this is, you know, how it looks. The blade, this is how the blade looks, and this is the jug itself. Okay, it looks nice and tall for a lovely cup of smoothie. This can last you all day, I suppose. It's also made of plastic as well, but a really strong plastic. So here we have the little cutie, the mighty ninja processor. So this is the food processor bowl. This one right here is the feed chute lid. So this is normally where you put your, maybe like your carrots, if you want to grate carrots, cucumbers, if you want to slice cucumbers, or you want to grate carrots, you use this. And this food processor bowl will do the major work for you. So there's a blade inside. I need to understand how to open this first, but I just want to continue with the unboxing before I open it. Oh, this is heavy. So this one is the motor base, and the motor base is heavy. It feels heavy. It's got this kind of suction thingy over here. I don't know what they call it, but it has the power button, blend, max blend, chop, puree, mix, low, medium, high, pulse. And then at the back we have the cord storage area. So if you want to store your cord and just hide it from plain sight, you can just make use of this. I believe you have to roll it around like that. Okay, so yeah, for easy storage. Yeah, this is amazing. So this feels really heavy. I'm just gonna pop it down here. Okay, so the last thing in the box is this one. So this is the lid for the single serve cup. So this is the spout lid, and you just pop it open like this, and it attaches to this one. Let me open it up. Okay, so this is it right here. So it looks fantastic, isn't it? And if you want to take it out and about with you, you just, you know, open that up and drink your smoothie or milkshake from here. So it looks fantastic, looks really good. So yeah, that is everything that came in the box. I'm really excited about this. That is it for my video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I'm going to test out the whole product to show you how it works. I'm going to try to make a smoothie or a milkshake, and I'm going to slice, grate, chop, mix. I'm just gonna carry you all along in the process. It could be like a maybe like bake with me video where I would try this product out in mixing cake ingredients, and bake the cake with my Ninja Foodie, and show you the whole process. Okay, or I can even show you how I slice and grate vegetables using this product. So if you would like to see more of the Ninja Foodie, be sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what sort of video you would like me to share using the Ninja Foodie products that I have. So yeah, till next time, I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you in the next one. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get instant notifications each time I share a new video. And if you have any video suggestions or anything you would like me to show you or share, please leave a comment down below and I'll try my best to get on it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.